Hey guys, here is Jay again from Oh My Canada. We want to go on an SGI road practice test. We want to take one of the Taylor routes, okay? So let's go.
Exit SGI office.
Okay, sounds good. When exiting, if you want to pull back, okay, put your signal, look behind you, put your hand behind the passenger seat. Make sure you are looking behind and make sure you have your signal on, okay?
Turn right.
Okay. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check. So free, exit SGI office.
Turn left at the intersection.
Okay. This is Heritage Way facing the library at Markeche. So take note of this route, guys. So you signal, mirror check, shoulder check. Remember the three things I always emphasize that you do before you make any turn. The SMS thing, S for signal, M for mirror check, S for shoulder check, okay? So before you make any turn, whether you are changing lanes or turning left or right, do SMS, do signal, do mirror check, do shoulder check, and then make your turn, okay? So let's go.
Turn right at the traffic lights.
Okay. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check, SMS, right? But there's a stop sign, so you come to a complete stop. Complete what? Stop. Good. Then you go. After stopping, you want to mirror check and shoulder check again. At every stop sign or intersection that you come to a complete stop, make sure you shoulder check again before you continue, okay?
Turn left at the traffic lights.
Okay. Traffic light is in front, so I want to change lanes. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check is free. Change lane. Okay, I'm pushing now. Signal again, mirror check, shoulder check is free. I enter the lane that will allow me change. Okay, I leave the drive lane. Road is free, the vehicle on the main way is a little bit far, so I turn left.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Okay. So there's a stop sign, signal, mirror check, shoulder check, slide to the right hand side, come to a complete stop. Okay, then you can go.
Turn left at the stop sign.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, before we turn left, let's parallel park behind this vehicle. Okay, somebody's driveway, so let's just continue so that we don't block their driveway in case they are driving out. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check. There is a stop sign, so we come to a complete stop. Remember, complete stop, not rolling stop, okay? Then you inch forward. Okay, road is free, I can go.
the next intersection.
Okay, that sounds good. That right turn is going to enter Moss Avenue, I think. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check, free, we can go.
Turn left at the next traffic lights.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, now traffic light entering 8th Street, I guess. Yep. Okay, there's a little traffic and there's an intersection in front of me, so I have to stop. Don't ever block an intersection, okay? I'll wait for the traffic to flow before I move so I don't block the intersection. So I can go now, traffic is free. So you signal, mirror check, shoulder check, traffic light still on green. Okay, we can go enter the intersection. Take your right hand lane, your left hand lane rather, since you are turning left.
Turn left at the next intersection, at the next traffic lights.
Okay, that sounds good. This one enters Arcadia. So the signal, mirror check, shoulder check is free. Change the lane. Light is green, but there's a vehicle at the intersection, so I cannot enter the intersection. Okay, one vehicle at a time in an intersection. So please take note of this. Even though the light in front of you is green, so long as there's another vehicle already at the intersection, don't cross the crosswalk. Wait until that vehicle exits the intersection before you enter the intersection. Okay, now light has changed, so we have to wait for the next green light before we can go. Very quiet. Okay, it's green now. We can enter the intersection, but we'll keep our hands straight because there are vehicles going straight. So keep your steering straight. Wait for your turn. Make sure you can see clearly before you go, otherwise be patient and wait. If not, you could put your head down. There's a vehicle coming straight, right? And the examiner will mark you negative there. Okay, it can go now, yellow, so they are going to have to stop. Vehicle in front, he's trying to branch off, wait for him, then continue.
Turn left at the third traffic light.
Okay, so that's the traffic light entry Taylor. Yeah, so this is one of the routes on Taylor Street that does not go to Circle Drive at all. I don't know, I'm really surprised that sometimes examiners will take people through this route without going to the highway on Taylor. I know on 8th Street there is no freeway, you enter on 8th Street, but we have it Northridge and here on this Taylor Street routes. So but for this particular route, you don't enter Circle Drive, okay? You don't enter the freeway. So from here, we'll just turn left and go to Taylor Street, okay? I think that's the 4th traffic light. Yeah, should be the 4th traffic light that goes to Taylor. Make sure you don't go above 50. That's the maximum speed. I always suggest you aim for around 40. So you signal, you mirror check, you shoulder check, approach with caution. Okay, light has changed, so you can stop without any problem. Let me use this opportunity to mention too that when doing this road test, make sure that you have your both hands on your steering. Don't hold your steering with only one hand, okay? Very important. So we are now on Taylor Street and we are turning to the left-hand lane since we are turning from the left hand. So we'll continue on Taylor Street until we get to SGI office. Approach traffic lights with caution. This has changed, so we'll come to a stop. So this is an evening ride, so you can see there's so much traffic on the road, and the ride is still smooth, right? So doesn't really matter whether there's much traffic on the road or not, okay? And keep your eyes open so that once the light changes, you can react immediately. Because if you hesitate, there's what the examiners call controlled hesitant. So meaning you are hesitating at a controlled intersection. When you have the right of way you were supposed to move, you are not moving. Examiners will deduct point for doing that. So be careful about that. Make sure you are always alert. At a traffic light, the light changes to green, and it's your turn, make sure you move, okay? Or at a stop sign, you are the first person to stop and you are expected to move, make sure you move. So approach with caution, changes to yellow, you can stop conveniently. Imagine if we were not slowing down because we already saw the pedestrian hand blinking red, so showing that it's going to stop anytime soon. We couldn't have made this stop, right? So make sure you approach an intersection with caution always. Okay, that's a green light.
Turn left to SGI office.
Okay, we're gonna turn left. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check, then you can turn. So we slide left where we are going to make the turn from. There's an oncoming vehicle, not just 1, 2. We wait for them. Now they are gone. We can turn, enter the SGI office. Pick any parking spot and stop. Yeah, so we are back to SGI office where we started from. So this is how you pass the road test. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the parallel park, because there was no place where we can do parallel park on this route this evening. But we have other videos where we've done parallel park, still on Taylor Street. And if you are interested in the downtown street route, we have that too. Northridge, we have those videos. So feel free to search through the channel and